na wo hwe anyumtofo a mbe perform yi any celebrities ni dignitaries etitiri a ma ba krom a menim say bia wonya invite ni bia na
bra medas
1 minute na kan ho na mpacho me do wa wajigira dem
sam se menya invite na
yeah
ami adom aine mi kobi
me who say stage no omu be stage ana is a stage rooms no okay rooms
red, white
and blue and you who him fan no
me any
card no so I see
and I be me observe but me who say different rooms
because you see be one man sankwas they say bia
rooms ni a nude wing nude wing red wing gold and black wing and a blue wing into 4 different rooms. I don't know which is to which. Omo popular stand. Omo semi VIP. Omo VVIP. Omo special. I don't know which is which.
Don't worry, you come by eventually. Mo share you with you.
And you card ni bia obeko.
Oze.
Obeko enyumre.
Me wo ho.
Obeko
me ko.
Oh okay.
Enye me nko ampo na me ko.
Okay, ono
many abna chebo ache ne yeko.
Okay.
The body term, skin term.
Okay.
So they one
yeah, so like ena de me hu pepe ye kan say
abna de wan ko bianka bem so obe yare.
Ko be she make case
ko be yare.
Oh, de be so ko.
Oh, abna.
Obe so ko.
Oh, ni oboa.
Dem say ni baby me na me push say yen call na ko business. So ni dey make ko. Oh my God!
Baby, untimi koton in my page. Untimi koton.
What's it?
Yeah, but
I'm happy for Piama. Yeah, I'm happy for the entertainment because eko ebe nyina omo esiom na so teach you pa. I mean, say Richie of Links Entertainment on the project coordinator. My own guy to Frankie is on the technical production sound. And I think when it comes to media accreditations, dignitaries now, Kojo Rana, and so this is to help the culture. It's helping the culture. I know. Say we here near Koso Anyum to 4. Sakodi tuitia me boy. Stone boy tuitia. If you tuitia,
Diamond.
No me dey can Ghana for the King Promise in so perform.
Stone boy so star.
Oh, okay. I see. Podcast artists and perform movie.
But show say my niche, especially event space because usually events now the budget never tight. Getting, but we do to say the budget is open. No, because it's open because I think almost started to set up 4 weeks about 4 weeks. Anna obi oko daily be oji per diem. Of course. Anya about 200 300 per day.
Yeah.
Inti imagine so ku ejuma de bia na oji 200 300 o wi a obesanjo akitua.
Yeah.
Inti me bompa say Ghana sika for mo birthday.
And me cover how no so so team say security are very tight
but it's strictly by invitation.
Oh yeah, security are tight pa.
Strictly by invitation. I think Crawford 1,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. Omo project.
Yeah.
Inti security there very tight.
Council can be.
Bra, is there anything that me na me dream bisa say space be any baby, so he has to create a special dome for this, and that is part of the plan. Because my dream was ambitious bisa.
Now we are who reach no bisano. But I'm sure say we are looking at the numbers. Maybe your pen any how set design. No, empty maybe koje Black Star. Because you said you may see rooms. No, maybe I don't know. You can give me how am I design the rooms ni bibiano. I don't know which other venue are. Ufi so bet me about space in Batili Brem Kakra na also Kakra was RNAQ 40 at 40 RNAQ.
Come away there because the time she seems very interested in me.
Okay, so you're craning a day. No, bra. Oh, you're craning a day because you've been so control cranny scan on Fanco Jamestown and Punano Fanco in the
say a cranny wasn't crying for naturally, no. Crying for infant for way in your life. Oh, you join the group, they don't set up the group. Until we, yeah, then you have to say, yes, you're bushing with rubber.
One day, say, every year be on any say,
Okay.
Now, yeah, I then obi yes singaton every year. We so obi to birthday every year. Oh, because my business for artists. And you be say yeah, okay. Shall list our boy aside Christmas. How many events like I say it me hold any global celebrity bia. It so with the birthday. It me my bottomless budget. And my artists who told middle of the year now early March. Was any annual event. I thought there be a GTA cry to me supporting any annual event. RNQ 41, RNQ and any TJ me back to back.
Okay, Arnold. I'm sure say when videos need be at I can be a come on. Just who invite I will go.
Many who who any so show phone so.
I told it.
Me don't me show phone so.
Wait there.
Show phone so now
Who can say phone so no. I think that there's this voice here. I have here. Yente kakra. I think it's Reggie Russell that did this one. Yente we yambra. Na yanko so kakra.
Yamba bidwa. Bempai. Mama nye invite bidwa. Hanamu de Jacks ushu nye fa oba. Kania na no shinjo ba ara tnase ni di mobi anwedi. Then we must blue say and no bruni can see you blew it. So cool and a gang brown and yanko for bar cool. Harmonious as a boons and fraud boys. Rituals no names here the panel body helicopter never banting from maybe ever bound moon. Yeah, you do off a wig be too. I'm winning. Mundidi na movie obefi.
Okay. Credit to Reggie Rockstone. Ona me so post to anyway. So the voice sounds like or say mo amwenya invite me betimi aba Rocks Wachi. Reggie Rockstone say mo amwenya invite mo de mo mbra Rocks Wachi na mo mentra mudi Wachi na mo hwe e mo phone so ni ade. Anod.
Me live. See, ever Rocks watching yakko. But I think the sentiments are easy and about the value of the industry.
Yeah.
So like I saw an industry person at that. So he understands what he's doing. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we should know well.
All right. So great. Ukobia
me there you. Me trouble na me hu see amount so ade me say omo be ye asori bi adanse bibi send ya no mo ye adan no later me ti say birthday no nwa kakra me hu we bi da kwa me kro ampo ani ni birthday wo Independence Square nti
where Ghana Independence Day na nkasa efini ya independence na nkasa Ghana
we independence we nye 10,000 k we 10k you
David
we wo kwa uhia
we party of the century
what are they supposed to be called 10k so
cancer abnati frame wa hanum say o once of frame ni ma dey over say
or more invite
oh yeah enka messin ne tunuma emema ne tunuhi
but because interesting me who a release be from is it Bills omo disassociate omo from
that's his company
the company no that's his company my me a bit yikakra says a bit disturbed say send your man for keka no ma me disturbed say bibisa kosu. I think this is the time for us to celebrate with the man who has worked so hard to get to this level. In Simbi a man for keka and I think say it's not right. Let's celebrate him to the point that the company will even come and issue this statement. I think say Ghana for let's celebrate our own. We koye Nigeria ni bia na bibia. Inka obe hu se nya Ghana for bekano. Hey Nigeria uko hey ya beka but e ba ye memu no. Look at the negative spins among for a day mano. I think Ghana let's celebrate our own.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Say una na my different rooms ne colors ne o cheche mu no. Which means when you invite abeko.
They never be say many jehun.
Yeah.
Oh, but you see maybe I don't know. But let me just stick to the point. The say, I am more interested in the caliber of artists now. Lord, we can say you have to say. I mean, I'm just interested in the caliber of artists. Omubabe performing. I'm looking forward to the performances.
Right.
Because that day. No?
So the way he kind of Oranikwe. Yeah, we're finishing the birthday now.
I got a birthday.
Because content now you're building is expensive.
Oh, yeah, see a per live stream, forget yourself, yeah, per live stream.
It can't be free.
This one, you GTV cries on cover.
No, it can't be free. Yeah. No accreditation.
I was not one pastor with UTV, not just said.
We are building content for sale.
Barbara, see, I didn't remember you and to mean time maybe we found here and come quasi as a move. Because we see a man for commenting, but I didn't see Kakumo.
Now, we see artists, we see. Like, I'm just imagining the video, Angie Cranny be $500,000. Okay, platinum, Angie Cranny be $500,000.
Bagusi?
Yeah.
Sikakum?
Yeah.
Why are they?
Hon man, a bit my friend Kakakra, the answer should be Nakwasi. Adia, Mr. Quaye, Mania Germano. The intent is a question when him say, ye bra ye boy. The only time pa Bema be able to imagine a new assassin so pa from the ages of 30 to 55 years and even 60. Because you say we pension age is 60 years. Now, until a year, say at 40 years. A brand tia born a bra no one in sika, no fee say, and when you're 40 years, will be to me as celebrating no wajinani. A young crash has some Emma movie is an inspiration to some of us at THS. Kwasi, ya ye Juma sa no nim there yawum. We Juma cra no nyeska, kwasi so way. When you Juma cra no nyeska now kwa cramor. Near catch us a shoe be a honum 4,000 cedis ya. So wow better 4,000 kratos I should know a yarding. Nemo ujina cramo wa me a throw across the catch us so war for CB Nanaya Nia in no per 22 to 3,000 at the hospital at once and no sending momo now the court. One cassa would over there Jumano who used to be called that to a problem. And a lot of people go through this challenge.
Okay.
It made me a very happy, sir, Mr. Q. For the first time, why you Jumanias Kadia Guho, who took you and answer your December party or your man workers, and then the woman can was more, or your party, and mom almost about 100% bonus. Workers, no, or mom almost about 100% bonus. Now they are there. And no, share the oye you. No more real no Cassa says, my way, mamma. They are Canadian, me and Cassa so me deliver patamacra.
Okay.
The Mr. Q. Ferry Pataokra, the invitation card, I didn't sign it, and more says here. Say, Mr. Links, Rich is a wood here. You know, that is a 1 month invitation. Now the kid better, I'm saying, interview
2579.